Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to sign up for Atrium Health online. Watch the tutorial till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in my.atriumhealth.org and press enter on a keyboard. You'll end up in the login area for Atrium Health. Go ahead and type in your username or your password if you want to sign into your account and click the sign in button. If you don't have an account yet and you'd like to sign up, click on the sign up now link under new user. On the next page, you can go ahead and sign up by picking one of these options over here. If you already have a My Atrium account, click on yes. If you don't, click on no. And answer the few questions that will be displayed on the page. Answer if you are looking for your own health information or your child information and click on your option. Select if you are at least 18 years old or not. And on the next page, you will need to fill in your information. Complete the form displayed on this page and you should be able to create a new account. Start off with your first name in the first text box and head over to the next field. If you have a middle name, go ahead and mention it in the text box. If you don't, skip the middle name and type in your last name. Now, go ahead and select your country from the drop-down right under address. Enter your street address on the next field. Type in the name of your city on the next. Select your state from the next drop-down and type in your zip code on the next field. On the next field where it says county, select your county from the option, or you can also skip the step for now. Right where it says other information, go ahead and enter your date of birth. Enter your mobile number on the next. Select your gender and enter an email address on the next field. Make sure to enter a valid email address while typing in your email. Next, you'll need to verify your email address. Enter your email address one more time in the next field in order to verify your email address. Make sure that your email address matches. If it does not, you won't be able to create a new account. Now click on I'm not a robot and verify yourself as a human being on the next field and click the next button at the bottom. Soon after you go through the step, follow the on-screen prompts till the end, and once your information has been verified, you'll be able to sign up for Atrium Health. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.